Hello everyone. In this session, we will walk you through the complete process of signing up on Binance, adding funds, and starting futures trading. Even if you are a complete beginner, you will be able to follow each step without difficulty. You can find the official registration link in the video description below. By signing up through that link, you will receive a 20% discount on trading fees. Be sure to use the link to fully benefit from these advantages. First, let's begin with how to create your Binance account. Clicking the link in the description will take you directly to the Binance homepage. Once the page loads, the 20% fee discount will already be applied. You may also see several promotional offers displayed on the screen. At this stage, you can register using either your email address or your phone number. After entering your details, check the box to agree to the terms of service. Then click the Continue button to proceed. Next, complete a simple image verification process. Select the image that corresponds to the word displayed on your screen. After that, a verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Enter the code to confirm your account. Now, set up a strong and secure password. Your password should be at least 8 characters long and include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. If a referral code field is available, enter SKY333. By entering this code, you will receive a 20% commission discount along with additional rewards. Therefore, it is highly recommended to enter the code before completing your registration. Once all steps are completed, your Binance account will be successfully created. Next, we will proceed with the KYC verification process. KYC is required for deposits, withdrawals, and trading activities. Since this step involves facial recognition, it is best completed on a smartphone. Download and launch the Binance app on your mobile device. Log in using the account you just created. The app will automatically guide you to the verification section. First, select your nationality. For this example, we will select India. Next, choose the type of identification document. In this example, we will use a passport. Tap the Take Pictures button to begin the process. Then press Continue to allow camera access. Ensure your passport is clearly visible when taking the photo. Avoid any glare or shadows on the document. Next is the facial verification step. Carefully follow the instructions displayed on your screen. Once completed, your verification request will be submitted. The review process usually takes around 1 hour. After approval, your account will be fully verified. Now, let's improve your account security by enabling Google Authenticator. Go to the account menu on the PC version. Then navigate to the security section. Click Manage to access your settings. Select Enable Authenticator app. Enter the verification code sent to your email or phone. A QR code will be displayed on your screen. Download and open the Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus icon located at the bottom right corner. Choose the option to scan a QR code. Scan the QR code shown on your Binance screen. The app will begin generating a 6-digit code. Return to Binance and click Next. Enter the 6-digit code currently displayed in your Google Authenticator app. Once completed, 2-factor authentication will be successfully enabled. Secondly, let's explore in detail how peer-to-peer trading functions on the Binance platform. Start by clicking the wallet icon located in the top right corner of the screen. The Spot wallet is used for standard spot trading transactions. Meanwhile, the Futures wallet is intended specifically for futures trading. At this stage, ensure that the Spot wallet is currently selected. Next, click the Deposit button found in the upper right section. From the menu that appears, choose the option Buy with USD via peer-to-peer. Carefully read through the terms and conditions displayed on the screen and agree to them. Check the confirmation box and press the button below to proceed. To start purchasing, switch over to the Buy tab. Select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to buy. USDT is widely used due to its price stability and strong liquidity. Next, choose your local currency and input the amount you plan to spend. Then, select your preferred payment method. You will now see a list of sellers offering USDT. For safety, it is advisable to select sellers with a high number of completed transactions. Also, check their ratings and completion rates before choosing. Once you identify a trustworthy seller, click the Buy USDT button next to their offer. Before moving forward, read the payment instructions provided by the seller carefully. Enter the exact amount of USDT you wish to purchase. If all details are correct, click Buy USDT to continue. On the following screen, the seller's name and bank account information will be displayed. Depending on the payment method, a QR code may also be available. Before transferring funds, review any additional instructions in the chat section. Then, complete the payment using your chosen method. After completing the payment, return to the Binance app screen. Click Transferred, notify seller to inform the seller that payment has been made. Upload 1 to 3 images as proof of your transaction. Then, check the box to confirm your agreement with the statement. Finally, press Confirm to finish this step. After waiting briefly, click the wallet icon once again. Return to the spot wallet from the available options. You should now be able to see that your USDT balance has been successfully credited. Finally, let's go through the step-by-step process of trading futures on Binance. Before opening any futures position, you must transfer your funds beforehand. Begin by navigating to your spot wallet. Then, click the transfer button located in the top right corner. Set the transfer direction from fiat and spot to USDM futures. Next, choose the asset you want to transfer. Enter the exact amount you would like to move. Carefully review the details and click Confirm. Within a few seconds, your funds will be reflected in your futures wallet. To begin trading, click on Futures from the main navigation menu. From the available options, select USDM Futures. This will open the futures trading interface. Click the icon in the top left corner to access the full market list. Select the trading pair you want to trade. On the right side, you will find the order panel along with position controls. First, set your margin mode. With cross margin, your entire account balance is used as collateral. With isolated margin, only the allocated amount is exposed to risk. For beginners, isolated margin is generally considered safer. Next, adjust your leverage level. Binance supports leverage of up to 150x. Higher leverage can amplify both profits and losses. If you are new, it is recommended to use leverage between 3x and 5x. Below this section, choose your preferred order type. A limit order allows you to set a specific entry price. A market order executes immediately at the current market price. You can also check your available balance in this area. Enter your desired price and order quantity. Now, decide the direction of your trade. If you expect the price to rise, click Buy to open a long position. If you expect the price to fall, click Sell to open a short position. To track your position, go to the Positions tab at the bottom. There, you can see detailed information about your active trade. Entry price indicates the average entry price of your position. Mark price shows the current reference market price. If the market reaches your liquidation level, the position will close automatically. P&L displays your real-time profit or loss. To manage risk more effectively, click the pencil icon next to TPSL. You can also close your position from this section. When you are ready to exit, select Close All with Market. Then choose either Market or Limit to complete the order. Once the process is finished, your position will be fully closed. In this video, we went through the entire journey from creating a Binance account to performing futures trades. Each stage was explained in a clear and well-structured manner, making it easy for beginners to follow step by step. Your support through likes and subscriptions plays a big role in helping this channel grow and reach more people. Thank you sincerely for your time and for staying with us until the end of the video.